Now we are coming to lesson number 4, and I have to explain many things to you in lesson number 4. Now, brothers and sisters, in this lesson, we'll start learning the pronouns. We will start learning the pronouns. Okay? And there are 2 parts in this lesson. We will learn pronouns, and then we will start the verb. I will see how much we can do, but I think on Thursday we'll definitely talk about verbs. Maybe a little bit tomorrow. Now, when I teach you about verb, brother, I want everybody to be here. This is most important. People always are afraid of Arabic verbs. When they talk about verbs in Arabic, they only say this, Baap re ba. I did not say Bob re Bob. Okay. Everybody is scared. But I found Arabic verbs to be most beautiful, fascinating, it's logical, brother. And I will share with you, and I'll show you in a way that you will fall in love with Arabic verbs, inshallah. But I will go in detail, slowly, and explain you everything. That explanation in book, easily. Somebody has to show you these things. That will be coming in second part of lesson 4. In the first part of lesson 4, brother, the pronouns are coming. So when the pronouns are coming, we have to now learn about the pronouns. Okay. What is pronoun, brother? In Arabic we call it damir. Remember? And damir is also ism. In the group of ism, damir comes. Why? It comes in the group of ism because it also has dun dan din. Anything has dun dan din is ism. Are you with me? Okay. We are going to learn the marfu form of ism, damir. Marfu form of pronoun. We are going to learn. Marfu form of pronoun. Okay, we are going to learn. Now, pronoun is a word used as a substitute for a noun, so that you don't repeat noun all the time. Or a pronouns stand in place of nouns to avoid repeating it. If I say to you, Muhammad came, and Muhammad said, and Muhammad ate, and Muhammad read, brother, it doesn't sound nice to your ear. What I will say, Muhammad came, and he sat, and he ate. Now that makes much easier, and it's nicer to the ear. So the pronouns come instead of nouns so that we avoid repeating it. Okay? Fine. How many kinds of pronouns? Okay? In a different way. Okay, brother? A pronoun that refers or includes the speaker. The pronoun that refers to the speaker. In English we call it first person pronoun. It refers to the speaker. We call it first person pronoun. Can you tell me, give me an example of first person pronoun? I and we. Okay. A pronoun that refers to the hearer. Second person. And then pronoun that refers to somebody who's not in front of us, who's in other room or away, we call it third person. Are you with me, brother? It is amazing in Arabic language, brother. We always start the pronoun with the third person. We start with third person. And all the verbs, in its first form, in the verb, when you take it in its original form, it is always past tense, and it will always say he. It won't say she. Now don't blame me. I didn't invent anything. That's the way the language is. It comes with he. When we talk about verbs, we'll do it. But in pronouns, we also start with he. Are you with me? Now what is he? It's a singular. It's a third person. And what else it is? Masculine. MashaAllah. Now brothers and sisters, in Arabic language, either a thing has to be a masculine or feminine. No in between. No. No in between. Either he or she. Anything has to be pair. Okay? So we start with singular he. Then in Arabic language, brothers and sisters, we have something very special. Because Arabic is very precise. When you say two, you mean two. Okay? In English, we say he, and then we say they. Even if there are two, you say they. But in Arabic, if there are two, you mean two and not three. When you say they, it means three or more than three. If it is less than three, then it is two. And that is dual. Okay? So we have in Arabic language, singular, and then dual, and then plural. Okay, brother? I'll write down. Singular, and then we have dual, and then plural. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Okay. Today, we will learn only third person. And then tomorrow, inshallah, we will learn the rest of it. And I've got a small song for it. I'll be singing for the next few days. And that will also hammer in your mind the pronouns, brother. Okay? Now, it's amazing, brother, how the Arabic language is, honestly. This is the palm of my hand. 4 fingers and thumb. And in each finger, there are 3 sections. Are you with me? Okay. So if I say masculine, then I have first section singular, dual, and plural. Isn't it amazing, brother? I think it is. I should say in the language of our children, it's cool. Okay. Number second finger. Let's make it feminine. This was masculine. We make it feminine. So again, singular, dual, plural. So these 2 fingers, peace, these 2 fingers are for third person. And then the next 2 fingers are for the second person. Same thing, masculine and feminine. And this thumb, brothers and sisters, this thumb is for first person. But then there are only 2 sections. So in thumb we have only singular and plural. Okay, fine. Okay, brothers and sisters, we start now with third person. It's called what is it called? Al-Ghaib. Now again, those with Urdu, they have an advantage. What is the meaning of Ghaib? He's absent. He's not here. Okay, which means somebody not in front of us. We are talking about somebody who is not here with us. Third person. We call it third person. We start with singular. What is the singular, brother? What is it, brothers and sisters? Huwa. What is next one? Dual. Huma. And what is plural, brothers and sisters? hum. So he, they two, huh? And then they. Okay? Now this is, as you know, it is masculine. Huh? Okay? We call it mudhakkar. Okay? And then we come to muannas. Maybe I should write down here al-mudhakkar. Huh? Please write down al-mudhakkar next to it. And then I will write down, this is al-muzakkar, brother. And then I'll write down here, muannas. Okay? And then it will become hiya. And then huma again. And then hunna. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? It is hunna.
So what is the difference between al-mudhakkar and
Muannas. Muannas. Feminine, brother. Muannas is feminine. This is masculine, brother. Huh? And this is feminine. Now you have the handout. Would you like to go to the handout, brothers and sisters? I think it's page number 6 or 7. One more, Brother Muhammad. Right there. Page number 9. Page number 9. Huh? Okay. Okay, brothers and sisters, here we are. First finger. Just like tasbih. First section, huwa. Second section, huma. Third section, hum. Second finger, feminine. Hiya, huma, hunna. Is it? If you know it, then I can do the whole thing. But if you want to do it gradually, then we will only do this. Huwa, huma, hum. Hiya, huma, hunna. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Huwa, huma, hum. Hiya, huma, hunna. Are you with me? But if you already know a little bit of Arabic, then you know the next one is mukhatab. What is it, brothers and sisters? Mukhatab. Huh? Al-mukhatab. There is a fatha there. This is second person. Huh? And this is your first person. No, third person, I beg your pardon. Third person. Okay. Since you have it in your handouts, brother, it's easy for you to see there. What will be the second person, brothers and sisters? Masculine? Anta. Are you with me? Anta. Next one? Antuma. And plural? Antum. What will be the fourth finger? Feminine. Anti. Antuma. Antun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Huh? And then mutakallim, ana and nahnu. Because you know it, I'm not writing it, brothers and sisters. But Sister Salma, do you know the second person? Anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, and then ana and nahnu. We got to memorize it. And you got to use your finger, it will help you. Just like taking out tasbih. Okay, you will remember. Okay, ready? Huwa huma hum, hiya huma hunna, huwa huma hun, hiya huma hunna, anta antum antum, Anta, antum, ma antum. Anti, antum, ma antunna. Anti, antum, ma antunna. Ana, nahnu. Ana, nahnu. Huwa, huma, hum. Hiya, huma, hunna. If you want to sing with me, you are welcome to sing, brother. We'll sing in a chorus now. Inshallah, in a couple of days, you will be singing in your car. Or, while you are taking shower, you will be singing. Huwa, huma, hum. Hiya, huma, hunna. Huwa, huma, hum. Hiya, huma, hunna. Anta, antum, ma antum. Anta, antum, ma antum. Anti, antum, ma antunna. Anti, antum, ma antunna. Ana, nahnu. Ana, nahnu. Huwa, huma, hum. Hiya, huma, hunna. Huwa, huma, hum. Hiya, huma, hunna. Got the idea, brother? Okay. So, huwa, huma, hun, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu. Brother, try to memorize it. Okay? Try to memorize it. Now, what are these pronouns, brothers and sisters? These are called damirun munfasilun. What are they? It's written there, Brother Hassan. Damirun munfasilun. Okay, what is the meaning of munfasilun? They are detached. Like a house which is detached. Nothing attached to it. Detached. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So, they come on their own. They will stand on their own. And brother, all of them are you listening? All of them are dun. What are they are? It means they are marfu. They are all marfu. Okay? They are marfu. They will come as a mubtada. Most of the time. They will come as a mubtada. Okay? Here is an example. Ana mudarrisun. How will you translate? I am a teacher. So what is ana? Mubtada. MashaAllah. Because if you say ana means I want to tell you I know that. Okay? More than that, it is mubtada. And mubtada is always marfu. And it is definite. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So these pronouns are definite. And they are all marfu. There is a different form for mansub. Okay? This form, we call it damirun munfasilun. Please say with me 3 times. Munfasilun. 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 Damirun munfasilun means detached pronoun, standing on its own. And they will come, they are all marfu, they will come as a mubtada. Ana mudarrisun. Anta talibun. So what is the translation? You are a student. So what is anta? Mubtada. Are you with me, brother? Huwa talibun. He is a student. Are you with me? Huwa talibun. Okay? We won't go into huma and hun now. Hum, later on we'll go. But this is how it will work. So first and foremost, brother, you will try to memorize it. It's easy because I will be repeating so many times this thing that inshallah you will catch up. And inshallah you will also memorize the song. So then it will become even more easier on you. I think it's time to take a little break and recharge our batteries, inshallah. So let us take a break.